Man, why the hell do I keep doing this? Every damn time. I sit down to work, and boom, I'm scrolling, wasting hours. Why can't I just stop?
Because your brain isn't failing you. It's being hijacked. You think it's just about wasting time? No, it's about your focus being stolen. Piece by piece. Instagram, TikTok, that constant buzz, they're not accidents. They're designed to trap you.
Yeah, but it's just scrolling. Everyone does it.
No, that's the lie. Every scroll, every like, every video is engineered to give you a dopamine hit. Short, cheap pleasure, and over time, it rewires your brain, makes it harder to focus, harder to connect, harder to feel satisfied with the things that actually matter. Your goals, your growth, your relationships.
Shit, I felt it yesterday. Wanted to prep, but ended up drowning in reels. Next morning, foggy, dead, ashamed.
Exactly. That's how it steals your life. But listen, if your brain can be wired against you, it can also be rewired for you. And it comes down to three brutal steps. Step one, reclaim your inputs. Unfollow garbage. Plant the right seeds. Knowledge, inspiration, people who fuel your fire. Step two, retrain your focus. 5 minutes of meditation daily. Not spiritual, not fluffy. It's rep control training for your mind. Step three, redefine your goals. Write your why. Pin it where you see it every day. Every time you say no to distraction, you're saying yes to your future.
So you're saying I can actually take it back? My focus, my drive, my brain.
Not can, you must. Because every distraction isn't just stealing your time, it's stealing your life. Protect your brain. Reclaim your future. Start now.